Anu Badra Kratavo Yantu Vishwataha. Let good thoughts come to us from all corners of the world. This is the central message of Rigveda, whereby the sage is instructing us to keep our mind open, to allow good thoughts to come inside, and to have new bright concepts which we can execute easily in our life. Then our life becomes an open book, so that we can achieve more and more success. Today's Subhashita we are considering is, I will chant that shloka so that it will be more clear for you. Alpanam api vastunam samhatihi karya sadhika trunaihi gunatvam apannaihi badyante mattino gajaha. The message of the shloka is Alpanapi vastunam samhatihi karya sadhika. Even little things in our life, the group of the little things in our life, karya sadhika, will make our projects achievable. Because even with the small grasses being binded in such a way and made as ropes, with such ropes even the intoxicated elephants can be tied up. Elephant is too bigger, its strength is massive, and its power is almost unimaginable. But even that elephant could be tied by the jute ropes, because that is the power of the unity of the small things. So never neglect anything as little, useless, small, like that. Never neglect anything. The unity of such things may pose a big danger to you. This is the message of today's Subhashita. Small little things will make a big binding, and so that anything could be controlled. Assume in our life punctuality, sincerity, accepting the mistake you have done, or being open to others' accusations. If you develop these little things, one day you will become a perfect man, and surely you will become a leader. Leadership is the bundle of small virtues which highlight the person at every step. So, Trunaihi gunatvam apannaihi badyante mattaganjinaha. So that means even big elephants are easily tied up by the ropes. After all, what grass is? Grass is a negligible one. Even with that, elephants could be tied up. In the same way, small things will give a bigger challenges. Elephant is a big animal. A small ant entering into the ear of the elephant makes the elephant inconvenient, and in the later run it may collapse also. Elephant is big, ant is too small, but it can hurt the elephant a lot. That is why elephant will be wavering its ear at all the times, so that ant won't enter inside. So, Alpanapi vastunam samhatihi karya sadhika. Students, if you are having time, once enter and observe the port. In port, you come across the cargo ships. Cargo ships are those ships which are loaded much, and such kind of loads will be taken from one country to another country. Particularly while you observe such kind of ports, they are all big cargo ships will be there, and they are tied to a big iron nail with a rope. Actually, the cargo ships will be having tons of loads, but it is being drawn and tied up by the rope, and that rope will never cut down. Such is the capacity of the unity of the tiny things in a bigger way, and it can even control the cargo ships. In the same way, small things make a big difference in life, and it will control everything. So that never neglect anything as small. Give importance to each. That is the message of today's Subhashita. And if you know this Subhashita, then we will give importance to each and everything. Give importance to your child. Give importance to the desire of your child, so that child will be with you forever pleasing. It will never be mentally disturbed. So consider each thing as important. And because in this creation, God has not created anything useless. Each thing is useless. In this aspect, it is said, each plant is a medicine. Every plant is a medicine. The way how to use it for the medicine is known to some persons, and other persons don't know about it. That's all the difference. So in the same way, each letter is mantra. But how to make it a mantra by adding bijaksharas is left to the great sages. In the same way, there is no person on this earth who is useless. But the persons knowing how to use that person are very, very less. Let it not happen in our life in such a way. Give importance to small things and become a big person. And unity of small things will make you the strong person. This is today's message. With this message, I will close today's session.